Hello members of Tambol Maths class. Here is another SAT mathematics examination question. Remember I told you that most of these questions are very simple. You just have to know how to beat time. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem quickly, though it is going to be a little bit longer since I am explaining, right? So the question reads, Nasir bought 9 storage bins that were each the same price. He used a coupon for $63 off the entire purchase. The cost for the entire purchase after using the coupon was $27. What was the original price in dollars for one single storage bin? Alright, so since we don't know the price for each storage bin, let us declare that with X. So if we should declare that with X, we have 9 of them, the total cost will be 9X, right? But remember, there is a discount after using a coupon, which is $63. So this entire cost, you have to subtract $63, right? And what he has paid is just $27. So this is what you can solve mentally. How? You should mentally take this one to the right, which is going to transform it to positive, right? And 27 plus 63 is 90. And since you are looking for X, you divide both sides by 9 and X will be equal to 10. And this is dollars, right? So the cost of a single bin is $10 without any discount. That is the original price. But I know some of you might ask questions here, so let me show you. But this is how you should solve it mentally. After taking this one to the right, the sign will change. You have 27 plus 63, which is equal to 90, right? This is 90. And because you are looking for X, you divide both sides by 9. This is 90 divided by 9, which is equal to 10 in dollars. So every single bin costs $10 without discount.